gonna get 2 weeks done of backtesting. Record this instead. Yeah, 2 weeks backtesting. Gonna be from starting January 22nd. January 24th to 11th. So 2 weeks today. Okay, start. It's Monday, Tuesday, FOMC statement. 2:30 Wednesday. Okay. Today, where are we right now? Potential draw low raises. We just take the draw, so I want to see all this other get taken. Bearish continuously going to today as well. Don't have this gap yet. We do have this high right here. And these relative equal highs up here. Yeah, so right now, what I ideally want to see a retrace back into this hourly to continue lower. The overall still bearish. Look at this, the overall order flow. Higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, all the way down. Okay. 10 to 15 minute. 7 to 15 minute as well. I'm not gonna take that. I'm gonna fade it only because still near market open, and I would ideally want to see higher. Well, damn. Getting away from a condition continuation. God damn, bro, not making any gaps is crazy. That's already 30. Not reacting off anything. Yeah. No gaps as well. Sorry, 11K, no trades previously. Only trade, I guess, could take would have been this short right here. V shape, LR, draw, this low. I mean, the only reason I faded is because I would have wanted to see the hourly, but I mean, we don't have to still. Was there SMT there? There was SMT, huh? So we didn't have to trade up there, but nah, it's fine. Whatever. We did end up taking it. No, that's unfortunate. Whatever. This would have been the trade if I took it, just this 1.5R, but it's fine. Well, okay, going to today. FOMC tomorrow. Have the daily gap up here. Daily gap as well here. 4 hour runs at a 4 hour gap. Still bearish on the higher time frame, but we can 100% trade back up to this daily gap. Just gonna wait. If we do start selling off, I want to see these lows get taken. And do we have an hourly? We do have an hourly as well. So that's better too. If we do start selling, I want to see the hourly as we draw. Just the internal high as well. Did sweep this, but we aren't really inside of any fair value gaps. I guess this 15 minute. No, we ran through that. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Ideally right now, I just want to still see LR be generated, and then us come respect this hourly at 15 minute, and then just sell lower before going higher. So we can see these equal highs and tap into this 15 minute. Okay, bang, perfect. Don't consider this high resistance because even though we are inside of an hourly gap, do want to see lower, but we also do have LR. So condition this is 15-minute basically. If we inverse it, then or the hourly most part, then I want to see higher. So then I'm bearish today. LR generate as well. No entry yet. Probably gonna run. Where's ES at? So ES still have equal highs. We do have equal highs still. Yes. I mean, what high is this a good L? But L just a good trade to take. They have equal highs on ES, but we do have all this LR below, leading up to that higher time frame gap. We're gonna open. We have manipulation higher. I'm gonna take this. 15 minutes still holding. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. Short stop up here. Checking all this LR down here. Bang. Fire. The reason I didn't want to see the daily gap or higher was only because Orderful was bearish, and at the time, like, we fully inversed this gap, respecting bearish still, and then next draw would be that hourly, but I'm confident what I took off would be that. See if you do sell off to the hourly eventually. I would have gone break even, but good short. Took out all this LR, manipulated up, market open to the 15-minute hourly, got shorts in there. Was there? Yeah, no break even for that trade. Only reason because there's all this LR. If you want to see it run, you want to see it run all at once. Okay, fire trade. Next session today is FOMC, so more patient going today. Okay, looks like we're trading back into this daily gap. We're clearly just disrespecting all bearish confluences lower and delivering up higher to that daily gap. So right now going to today, I am leading bullish. We can manipulate lower. Is it a gap? Or is that just a tiny ass gap? But that's still a gap regardless. And that's an hourly one too. So we have an hourly gap here, and we have relative equal lows by this hourly. So I did want shorts. Potential reversal from this point. Central high. No, that is it. We have SMT there as well. It's gonna wait. Let's see, can we get a 15? If we sweep this on our open, we're still respect it. Even though if we have equals below, I can look for longs, but I need to see something. Okay, slowly chopping. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for those equals to get hit. Okay, equals are hit. Tap to the 50-minute or the hourly. You have this 50-minute below. Want to see this 50-minute get tapped, and then longs from there. Ideally targeting that set of highs. What did we just sweep previous day high? That we did. Yeah, we just swept previous day high, which is what we are checking off. But order flow is bullish on a higher time frame, so I am looking for longs. Okay, tap the 50-minute. No 5. That's 5 minutes from one. Look for nothing yet. No clear inversion. Just forming all the way up there, but like realistically, are you taking that? No, I'm gonna wait. Yes, is clear displacing. No gaps, so can't even take anything. That'll be your 5-minute condition. Okay. So respected that. We're still bullish. Faded that draw. Even though we did just sweep this high, don't consider this high resistance or something, because where did ES sweep? Oh, ES tap into the daily gap. But that's highest that. That's all up here. So yeah. So I can look for longs from this because that draw is super obvious. Let's see this 5-minute hold since higher. Okay, clearly disrespecting it. If this 5-minute was to, if we were to get a short or you're checking off anything, honestly, no. Still bullish. Don't really want to see this low get revisited, so I'm just gonna wait. No 15-minute either. Alright. Was there actually no gap here? No, it's just that 4-minute, 3-minute, no 1 minute, no 2 minute, no 3 minute. There's no 5-minute, was it? No, there wasn't. If there was a 5-minute gap here, I would have longed off this, targeting this, but could take off there. Skill probably most here. 10:33 already. Skill clearly drawing lower to where this hourly gap. The 4-hour. Oh, we did have a 4-hour. I didn't realize that. But there wouldn't have been any trade to take. Like, 5-minute, sure, we swept this internal high, but we're not really reacting from anywhere. Yeah, no. Whatever. 4-hour did get tapped. Potential draw on the higher time frame. This hourly below. Let's see this get hit now. Okay, retap that 5 minutes. It is 10:50, so if I do take a trade, it's gonna be low risk because it is late into the session. No gaps yet. Alright, that's session. Let's see if there was anything that did present itself. So you take this 3-minute. Yeah, no. Okay, no trade today. I mean, was there anything? I mean, bias and everything played out. Wanted to see us manipulate to the 15-minute, 5-minute. Get a gap, but there's a 30-second sure. But actually, no, I'm not taking any more 30-second reversal trades. So no 30-second, no 1 minute, nothing. Yeah, so no trades here. There was a 5-minute as well. I would have taken the 5-minute continuation, but nothing. So today's F1 CS dual skate, and then 8:30 and 8:30. Did react off this daily gap. Did it switch lower? Still have a reason to go lower for this sell side. We are retrading. We are in this range right now, so just gonna wait, but ideally shorts are still my go-to reason. Overall, still bearish, higher time frame wise. Daily gap, tap into this daily gap. I'm not gonna look at the weekly, but there's that low. All this lower resistance, but right now just lower time frame. I'm gonna wait. Still bearish. Want to see reaction off this 4-hour gap. Continuation lower. If we inverse this 4-hour, you consider this as protected, and then straight to this high. Just gonna wait till market open this. Right side of 50-minute, those upper 50-minute. I mean, there's like low resistance leading up to this internal low. Don't really want to long this. Yeah, took an internal high, 10 to 50-minute. That's okay. We did completely inverse that though. I just don't like this price action. New York is chopping. Not really reacting off anything. ES is clearly displacing for those highs, even though we aren't to the hourly gap. Wait for 10 AM. Okay, that's 10 AM. Now you do have this forward gap below. Did inverse those two. Okay, I'm bullish going to today, or for now I'm bullish. Both those 4 hours got inversed. Anticipate that high to get taken. But now, if we're looking for shorts, where can we get a retrace to? All this low resistance. We're ignore this 15-minute, this 5-minute internally. There was this inversion. We did take this internal high, but I'm gonna fade this. Just don't like long against the low resistance, so I'm gonna wait. Yeah, if you took that, you would have gone break even. If I took that, I would have gone break even. If I'm looking for longs, I would want to see at least these lows get revisited. We did inverse that 15-minute as well. Damn, this PH is not it, bro. Just gonna wait. Okay, finally. See if you continue lower or if we start rejecting from here. Because reason for rejecting, bullish at all, overall higher time frame. Did tap and did just take that internal 15-minute low. ES also manipulated into this 15-minute gap. We do have 5 minutes all above too, so hold on. I'm gonna take this 1 minute. ES also tap into the hourly 50-minute. We are rejecting, still higher time for bullish. I'm gonna take this reversal. Stop here. Break even. There's this 5-minute that is getting created. Break even there, going for a 1-to-1. So 15-minute that opens in 2 minutes. Yeah, so it's also this 5-minute. Can take this. Did I risk 3% last time? I did risk 3%. I'm gonna have to replay this after. Just let's break even there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, since that was 3%, I'm not risking that like realistic. So that was, what day was that? Is it Tuesday? I'm just gonna replay it and take if it was Tuesday. Yeah, no, I'm not, bro. Be realistic. No one's receiving 3% on trade. There you go, 1%. That's better. Okay, and now day after if I'm C. Let me see where the 15-minute opened. No, this was break even. I'm not gonna try to validate it. Overall, still fire. Unfortunate break even, but if you're looking for us to trade back, you ideally want to see volume. Here, stop here. It's a good trade overall. Sorry, 1058, 1042. That's fine. Yeah, those eyes pretty clean overall. Just didn't hold. I mean, if you had what's it called? It's because there wasn't like really like it's in such like a horrible like price action. Like we still have low resistance here as well. So like we easily could have rejected that, came lower, maybe swept this and trade it back up, but I'm fine with that. Okay, so that's that. Risk is also good. Okay. Yeah. And Friday, that's Friday. And Friday, 8:30 news. Still in this range. Like, look, we inverses took the low, inverses failed to take the high. Coming back over, inversing this, like blah 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 blah. Just trying all this low resistance up here. Took this. Some teeth that low. Took this internal low as well. If you're rejecting off that 4 hour, I'm bullish. Want to see all these highs get ran. Probably will just run on market open. Oh my god, we don't for the first time. Ideally, once you retrade into this 15-minute, then look for continuation of longs from there, targeting all this like buy side. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, tab to the 15-minute. So SP low is protecting it. we're not really rejecting off anything on the higher time frame. We are rejecting this 4 hours, so would want to see hit hold ideally. Let's see that 5 minutes one. Okay, well that 15 minute got inverse. Now just gonna be looking for shorts. Yo, ES held the hourly. Top of the 15 minute. Now looking for these shorts potentially this low to get hit. What was this? That's the range low. Okay. Refinement continuation. 10 a.m. Another 15 minute gap opened. Just a lovely price action, guys. Bro, we're not serious. Bro, we're not serious. This is horrible. I'm not taking that, bro. I'm fading that. Like that's just not ideal to be trading. Like, yeah, I'm fading all of this. Gonna wait for a new 5 minute condition. Sorry. Oh well, no trades Friday. This was just horrible. Like, what is this? Let me see, 30, 8:30. Oh, manipulate. Oh, was that actually? No, I wouldn't take that at least in time. Want to see? Maybe took all the sell side. Chop from what's this? God. Like, bro. From what time is this? From 9:37 basically to 10:44 just chop. Yeah, I'm good. So that's one break even, one win today. Monday should have been a win, but I want to see higher, me personally. But I'm gonna see after what Mentor Kirk says. Okay, let me go for my water bottle. All right, and another week, Monday 31st to that's 2 weeks. So Tuesday, so Monday 31st to Friday the 4th. 10 a.m. news Tuesday. Nothing CPI, nothing PPI. I have non-farm, so basically NFP Friday. Okay, let's see. Point today. Clearly drawing higher. Now looks like my draw is this internal high. So we start spacing past it. Next draw is that 4 hour. Oh my god. I forgot. What is this? What is that? Bro, what is this price action? Okay, we're inside this 4 hour. I want to see that 4 hour take us higher. Yeah, still bullish. Not fading that. yeah, gonna wait. I'm bullish, but just this price action overall, where we like these moves, I'm just gonna wait to see. Ideally, let's take out all the low resistance here and then start buying up, or basically disrespect this, risk get a 5-minute condition, trade lower to this 4 hours. So I'm just waiting right now. Zoomed out, like this isn't probable price action. Yeah, no, I'm not taking that. I'm gonna wait for 5-minute condition. Yeah, I don't like this one bit. Like, where you're ejecting from, sure you can say this out, this gap, but like that's not like, yeah. Still bullish right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for those highs to get hit. So, see, we do this 5-minute. It is also really premium, so I might wait for us to generate low resistance. Wait for the 10 a.m. and then get that 15-minute gap. No, even if I did take this, there would be no entry. Kind of close all the way up there, yeah. The draw was taken. I mean, is anything past this? Not really, no. I think this high, but that's a daily internal high. So now it's like, do you want to check this? Or do you want to go high? Do you want to check? Blah, blah, blah. Low resistance. Yeah, no, I'm good, bro. I'm good. And ES did just take it as well. 10 a.m. opened. Do a potential mech to lower those 15-minute below. If you do start running through this gap, I could anticipate that this internal high is like we're manipulating on the higher time frame and trade back into this 15-minute. But right now we're just expanding, so I'm waiting. Yeah, gang, bro. Gang, like this is not. Like, bro, look at this. Sorry, 11, but what is this? 15 minutes and just chop? Are you? Wait, actually, 15 minutes and chop is crazy. Yeah, okay. Monday, no trades. We are still bullish. We did end up trading to that higher gap. Still really bullish. Order flow has just been bullish, displacing off the SMT low. I mean, right now, low-key looking for a retracement trade down to this, rebalance this 4-hour gap. Just took out this internal. Do I have news today? 8:15 news. Already had that. Instead of hourly, did also just tab into this 15-minute as well. So potential for longs. If you wanna run this high, that's the only thing I'm confident in for longs. Do start displacing lower. Want to see this slow, all the flow resistance here leading up to this gap to get taken. So I'm just gonna wait. No gap to trade into, so I'm just gonna wait. Okay, so draw was taken. No entry, nothing to trade lower from or on to. Now I'm looking for longs. It's 4-hour. Inside this 15-minute as well. So want to see, we do SMT at this low. So want to see this gap hold, take us higher. Let's see this resweep below. Okay, that's 10 a.m. Why did we just pump? We had no news at 10. This is what? This is Tuesday as well. Like, yeah, Tuesday the 1st. We had no. Oh, I was getting the wrong thing. Never mind. We did have 10 a.m. news. Okay, well, that's good. So we're still expecting that 4 hour. If we do start displacing lower though, once it does far get hit. Did respect this hourly still. Swept internal close above it. Holding the SMT. Had the resweep now, so if we do get a valid long from here, I would be confident in longs. Do have a 15-minute gap, possible mech as well. No 5-minute continuation either, so can you take anything if I want? Slow chop, bro. Okay, I'm taking that. Dope. Let's get close. Stop here. Trading 1-to-1. We are really close to the hourly, but ES also did just sweep this low. So ES also did just manipulate this internal. Yeah, I'm gonna take this 5-minute. It's still 10-14. Yeah, I'm fine with this. Read mech model. Yeah, watching both assets. Okay, tab the probably gonna be break even trade if you don't trade higher. Yeah. Was there a better place to put my stop loss for a 1-to-1? Put it here and a 1-to-1. That would have been a 1-to-1. Sad. Whatever. That's fine. Just journal it. But stop loss for mechs are really like based on where we want to go to. Like, I mean, I guess I could have put it here because if we come back lower here, anticipate this gap getting hit, and if that does happen, let's see. Yeah, if you come down here, like, yeah, see, like, it's like just stop loss placement is looking like iffy with mechs because like you don't have like, that's fine. Let's see if I break even on this. If I'm an inverse, ES also showed displacement above out of it, so good mech. What day is this? Tuesday. Good trade overall. Waiting for a trade. Higher time frame, still bullish. Even though we did take this internal high, would at least want to see retrace this 4 hour or the lower 4 hour. Did this SMT wasn't valid afterwards, but we did have SMT originally with this low. Oh damn. Hello. There you go. So tap this 15-minute gap. We inversed it after, okay, but like we at the time like we wigged all the way here, closed back up. At the same time, we got this 5-minute inversion from sweep this internal low. We also took this internal low right here on the 5-minute. Reshape, had a 15-minute unfilled. And do we start? Yeah, so it's fine. Today, have this gap above. Do have this gap below. Really bullish. I mean, ideally, what's today? Wednesday. Now Wednesday we have ADP at 8:15, which we did have. 6 up this high. We are selling off lower. Dip elder leading up to this 4 hours. So right now I'm bearish going to today. I mean, we're not really holding any gaps, so I want to see a continuation with this displacement already, just to this 4 hour, and after that, would want to see if we want to come lower to this 4 hour, or if we want to continue higher. So okay, draw was taken. Now I'm gonna look for longs. So let's hit. I want to see this 15-minute terminal low hits first. Okay, took that. No valid stop hunt. We did just take liquidity and are like any higher. That close is super strong, bro. We did respect that hourly. Tapping out 4 hour higher time for some bullish, just up LR, SP with London, SP with Asia. That 4 hour, we have this 15-minute above. Do this 15-minute as well. I might take this. Anticipate this if you want. This was a stop hunt, but okay, well, new format. Did ES tap the gap? Oh, ES did tap the 15-minute. Whoops. I should not buy. I took it. No, I'm not replaying it. When did we tap it? Was it with the same gap or? That makes sense, but it's whatever. That's fine. Right. I normally only take if I take one loss amount, so I'm not gonna look at price. But... oh wait, there's a 4-minute. Okay, no, I'm replaying that. I thought there was a 3-minute. I knew that. Like I took that, but wait, hold on. Let me just see something. Okay, so this is the 4-minute. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that would. I'm taking that trade off. That wouldn't have been valid. I thought 3 minute was the highest, but there's a 4 minute. So, okay, anyways, spacing lower. You know we did sell off, but no 5 minute, nothing like that. So I'm just gonna wait. Tap this 15 minute now. Other leading up to that 15 minutes. Still bullish, higher time frame wise. Rebalance price. Yeah, this is the highest time frame. He has finally tapped the 4 hour. And Q isn't this kind of 15 minute. He has took that 15 minute turn low. Both manipulated. We also had this internal stop hunt. PV shape, targeting 1 to 1. It shows the highest time frame. Okay, that's the 4 hour. So the hourly, both are into the hourly. 15 minute internal, tap this kind of 15 minutes. Do we tap this 5? We did respect this 5 minute. Did it clear break even point? Yes, we do. Okay, that would have been break even trade. Again, reasons for the break even trade was a 5 minute, even though higher time frame, still bullish. We can easily see that 4 hour lower, but still played out, so I'm fine with that. And if there was like a lot leading up to it, sure, but it was the first 5 minutes, so you would want to see it displacing past it, but it's fine. Tuesday, what day is it? Wednesday? Oops. Still recording, right? Okay. Thursday, 10 a.m. news. Okay, retraded back into this daily gap. Here inside this daily one up here. So we do have a daily internal S&T with this. Well, still bullish higher time frame. We are generating lower resistance lower. Just with this, like right now, once we inverse this, anticipate the dailies can get hit. We inverse between here, short. So dailies, it does 4 hour. Look, I'm bullish going to today. Internal high up here. Do this hourly below. See what market open does. Right now, hard time frame I'm bullish, but don't know if you want to trade lower into this hourly unfilled, this hourly unfilled, or if you want to start displacing out of this 4 hour because there's no 15-minute. I don't think so. There's a really tiny 15-minute. No, we intercept. Yeah, so right now I'm neutral. Lower time for high time I'm still bullish, so bullish setup. So like rebalance to gaps. We are inside this 4 hour, this lower. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Would ideally want to see a continuation short slower to this gap, but we'll see if we get it. Did manipulate to 15 minutes, see if we can get continuation from here. But gonna wait for something more obvious. Potentially, yeah, that tap of the higher 15 minutes. So all like these equal lows, we have equals right here, so want to see ES, we trade lower to those. Yeah. But we are displacing higher, so if you do start displacing higher, we see all this high, this high, this high, all get taken 4 minutes, and wait for the kind will close. Okay, so 15-minute wait to both of them. 5 minutes to get inversed, so I'm just gonna wait. Trying lower resistance above. To have lower resistance both sides. Gonna wait for one side to get swept. Yeah, no, don't like this price action. No, wait. Wait for a 5-minute condition. Ethereum did just open, so do need gaps. 4 hour. Not really anything here. There. Hourly. Nope. Just okay, so I'm leaning more bullish, but I want to see how all the sources and get swept first before link belongs. Jesus, skip so fast. Holy. Nope, 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 nope. 15 minute. I put myself on the 5-minute off 15. Goddamn. To take that internal high, we already know what happens. Like, check this, go higher, but it's invalid too long. Just take that internal high. This is 15 minutes. Reject this 4 hour. Have L or below. I'm gonna take that invalid stop hunt. Now did just get the stop hunt right there. It's just a tiny gap though, in like 15 minutes, 6 minutes. I'm gonna tape read this. I'm not gonna take that 4-minute or was it 3-minute? Yeah. Good fade, good fade. No 15-minute either. Rejecting off of this. Gonna wait. Yeah, no trades. I'll say Thursday. No trades Thursday. Let's see, Friday. So Friday, 8:30 news. Okay. Right now, based on daily, I'm waiting for this low to get taken. Yeah, sorry, did just manipulate. Gap. It's 4 hour. There's this low as well here. Yeah, I'm bearish going to today. Even though we are inside of a daily gap, based on this order flow that we've been getting, once at least this low get tapped, we are trading higher. So we're gonna get a 4 hour gap at 10. Do this hourly internal high. Just gonna wait. Let's see what price does here. Yeah, right. Ideally want to see a continuation from this 15-minute. To just maybe this our internal high. Do have LR above right here. It's an iffy spot to short, but if we do short, yeah, no, I'm gonna wait because there's all these 5-minute gaps. So ES did just manipulate that high. We did get this internal stop hunt. No. Nothing clear yet. 10 a.m. did open, so right now it looks like we are trading into that 4 hour gap. Like, I'm gonna look for longs. So 5-minute. What's this? No, 955. No stop hunt, nothing. So can you take that? I want it to. Yeah. But we did just generate all this low resistance leading up to higher time frame draws. So potential for shorts. Yeah, this is where I want to see shorts play out or present. Did remove this, but oh, that's so unfortunate. Didn't inverse it. Damn. Well, like, would you take this? Be realistic. Got the manipulation. ES also manipulated. ES did display slower. We do have a reason to go lower. I'll just LR. I'm gonna take the CISD entry. It's 1032, but I'm gonna take this. To have all the low resistance leading up to the higher time frame draw. Higher time frame, we are bearish, but we set this daily gap for both. Did tap into the 4 hour, took out the 15-minute terminal. I'm gonna take this CISD entry. But yeah, I might take this. I don't mind it. I'm just gonna watch ES, see if once ES takes it. That probably would have been break even if I'm being honest. Yeah, that would have been break even. Gonna replay it, yeah. Now let me see if, like, realistically, if I'm in longs or if I'm in shorts, where would I take it off at? Because I can play 15 minutes. No, it wouldn't break even though. It's like after that displacement, you really don't want to see it come back up. I'm trying to see like what I would do realistically. Like, Is there a 30-minute gap? There was a 30-minute. Because I know I would have gone break even. Because like realistically, if it's already up to here, I'm gonna go break even at internal low. If it's like not like LR like the one that I marked out where it's like compacted, this is like I probably would scale at this internal by 50 and then go break even, and then it would get stopped or break even. This would probably be my trade, something like that, and then break even there. Yeah, that probably would be the trade. I'm fine with that. From inversion, to get the 5-minute CASD entry. Okay, so based on that, one, two, 3 wins, 2 break evens, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 no trades. Right.